Hi guys! Today, we'll show you how to integrate the Elfsight Forms widget with a Google Sheet via Zapier service. We've already created our widget and Google spreadsheet. In the spreadsheet you want to connect, set field names that are in your widget. Like in our example, we manually added column names, first name, last name, etc. Open the widget. Click Integrations, then Zapier, and hit Connect. Copy the widget token. By the way, each widget has its own unique one. So if you want to connect any other widget to the same or any other sheet, just follow the same steps. Then, click Go to Zapier. Log into Zapier, or register if you don't have the account yet. We do it via Google this time. Pop-up will appear where you need to choose the account you want to choose for registration. And for the trigger event, choose New Form Submissions. In the Account drop-down, select Connect a new account, and paste the token from the widget. Continue with the selected trigger. In the second step, choose Google Sheets. If you don't see your Google account here, don't forget to connect one. The same pop-up will appear as the one we saw when registered. For the action event, select Create Spreadsheet Row. On the next screen, set the exact Google Sheet you prepared. In the mapping fields, match the ones from the widget with those in your Google Sheet. After you've finished, test the step. You should see the first Zapier record in your Google Sheet. If everything looks good, publish your new Zap. Now, let's fill out the form. After a few seconds, all the data is sent to our Google Sheet.